ACHY Dad, the older father blogger. Here is a review of a webcam from Rockware. All right, this is the Rockware new webcam with my assistant here. Oh, you're not my assistant, you're my boss.
I'm not your boss.
What are you?
I'm your helper.
Helper, okay. They sent it to me for free to look at, full disclosure, and I've never heard of them or used them. I get a lot of solicitations on my channel to test products. Most of them are complete BS. So the Rockware Mini All-in-One Video Soundbar RC08 is for Windows, Mac, and Android. It is rockware.net. Boy, they should really use this in advertising. Hello, I'm a new webcam. I have both a speaker and a camera, but I look like a robot. Well, okay, I'm going to test this Rockware camera in this scenario. A speaker, camera, rangefinder, privacy shield. Okay, and this is the Rockware camera. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Interesting. And with the Rockware mic. All right, let's try the privacy shield. Ready? That looks private. Oh, where'd you go? Reference. Oh, my other assistant is here. On the MacBook Air camera. Oh, he's gone. This is what the furnace sounds like. All right, the old Logitech C920 1080p furnace on, and it's on board mic. All right, I'm going to hand the camera to you, and I just want everyone to see those lights at the top. This is the Logitech C920, and I'm going to use the same lights on the Rockware. All right, this is the Rockware, and first of all, it's bright. It really doesn't like these studio-ish lights. Maybe 5,000 Kelvin. All right, this is the Rockware in a room with two windows coming at me with natural light, midday, and a little bit of a ceiling light, regular living room ceiling light. Much better. And I did test the speaker. It does work. It's not quite as powerful as, say, laptop speakers, but if you need a webcam with a speaker, this would be the one for you. And the only thing, as you saw in the review, I wouldn't use it for studio lighting, 5,000K like I have in the basement. But I really appreciate the company sending it to me, and I will definitely keep it. So good luck shopping out there.